Good morning, everyone. So, before we start our presentation, let's have our criteria first. We have your creativity, which is 20%. Musicality, 20%. Originality is 10%. Teamwork is 15%. And the relevance of the topic, 35%. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes!
Yes! Okay, let's start with group 3.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. Ano ma'am? Nakakadar kaya ako talang fingers ako mga anak ko. So, siya o, anak ko, mo. Actually, ito ano, matabagunta rin niyo. Like, don't worry kay nara si Teacher Natalie, teacher inyo. Ato si Teacher Natalie. Teacher Natalie, hi!
Hi, good morning. Morning, teacher.
Kung anong good teacher ka nang si Marjorie kay dili ko namumubog tarong iyahan. So, what can you say about it, Mar?
Finger family song. Are you familiar with that figure? Ano, teacher? No? Okay. Today you will learn about it. Come here, sit down. Also the mother. Ay, no ka na. Kailangan ka kayo. Smith, matapakaw. No. Kagod po, kagod po. Okay. So, first, doon na ako. Asa git-ani sa mga fingers ang katong mothers, baby. So, kanina siya si daddy finger. This one teacher. Yes, that one. And then this is mother finger. This one teacher. Yes. And the middle one came out. See? Brother finger. The next, sister finger. And the last one, guys, is baby finger. Finger. Alright. Sige, magsunod naman kanta. Teacher. Kanta ka. 1, 2, 3, go. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Yes! So, mga iba na sa family finger. Yes, teacher. This is daddy finger. Mommy finger. Brother finger. Sister finger. And baby finger. Yay! Wala ba? Malas ang pwede na yan, oy. Okay ka na. Mauna sa other session ka rin ha. Makikita lang sa next session.
Yes, thank you so much, teacher.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Okay. Pakpaka na po, ha?
Ate, ikaw, ikaw.
Alright. Ikaw,